Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I'm going to be trying a new product to do a little boot repair. So the product I'm going to be trying is from Gorilla Glue. It's called Clear Grip. It was over where the shoe repair stuff was at Walmart. They didn't have any of the Shoe Goo, which is stuff we normally use. So we're going to try this out and see how well it works. So let's get at it. All right, so I got my boots here. Yeah, I'm right-handed, right-footed. So the right shoe is worn a lot more than the other ones. What it has here, if I can get it to show, see where it's splitting apart here, and it's doing the same thing on the other side. The stitching's still holding in the front, but the rubber's coming off from below the stitching. So I'm going to be doing a lot of gluing up on this to get it to work right. So. But let's check this out and see what the instructions here say. All surfaces must be clean and free from dirt, grease, and oil, best if between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it's 72 degrees in here, so we're in that range. Apply adhesive to each side to be bonded. Tip, push the product towards the nozzle by spreading. Okay, so you're supposed to be, doing that. To maximize strength, wait 2 minutes for adhesive to partially dry before joining surface. Press surface together firmly. Note, bond forms immediately and can be difficult to reposition. Cure time about a minimum of 24 hours for full cure. Cure time may increase with lower temperatures and when using on non-porous surfaces. Blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to see how this works. So let me pull out my knife here. Let me open this thing up here. There we go. Let's see what the tip looks like inside here. Whoa, it's got stuff squirting out just because the thing. Yeah, okay, so let me see if I can get this in here before we go too far. Okay. I'm going to use some paint things here to spread this a little bit better so I can get a good fill in here. Let's see what I can do here. Continuing. I hate these metal containers because you push on a little bit and the metal deforms and then it just keeps on pushing stuff out. So I'm going to put this back over on this side here, let it sit there. I'm going to get a Q-tip so I can spread this around. So I'll be right back. I got a couple Q-tips is what I did. I'm also going to peel off most of the cotton because with these glues it likes to start leaving a long trail of the cotton stuff. So I'll peel off a lot of it to make it a lot simpler here. Just a little bit left on there. Okay. Keeps on squirting. There, I got it sucked back in. I'm going to spread it around here with a Q-tip, make sure I got a good spread on all the surfaces here, both sides. And we will see how well this here will work. Corner here. So I may wind up having to do one side and then the other side. Okay. Whew. That smells like some old stuff we used to play with. Go up in there just to see what that does. All right. set that there. Put the lid on it. Okay, it's already starting to tack up here a little bit. I'm getting stuff on it, so I'm just give it let's say here 2-3 minutes. Wait approximately 2 minutes for adhesive to partially dry before joining surfaces. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's slowly beginning to grab on there. Just let it a little bit better here and see what we're doing here. Yeah, it's starting to grab. So I'm going to go get something heavy to put on here to hold it cut down tight together here. Box cookie mix ought to do. Oh yeah, that holds it down nice and tight. So we're going to let it sit like that for a while, and I'm going to come back here in about an hour or so and check it out. All right, it's the next day. I let it, dry overnight, and it seems to be holding up pretty well there. It's not coming apart when I pull on it. That's a good sign. So now we're going to work on the other side of it here and get it done. So let's get at that. Take this back out of here. Get the tools in here again to spread it open wide enough so I can really get the stuff down in there. There we go. They're going to give it a couple minutes here to do it for the, 2 minutes of sitting. Okay, looks like it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how this thing's doing here. Okay. Yeah. Push it together. It's sticking pretty good right away. Still trying to pull apart as it does its little thing here, so I'm going to clean up some of the excess glue here that's coming out though. Put it on the front here. Right there around there to seal up. Okay, so now I just need to put some weight on it here. This here like this. Ugh. Put the 5-pound box of stuff here on it. I'll the other shoe over here to keep it so it's all the weights on that one. Yeah, and it's pulling down nice and tight. Go ahead and clean the little bit of glue that's coming out of the seam there a little bit. Get it taken care of here. Cleaned up so I don't have a big goo mess on that. There we go. Alrighty, so we're going to let this sit. So we're going to let this sit here now, and then tomorrow morning we'll be back and we'll be checking it out. All right, different shirt. Next day, let's see how the glue did on the boot here. So here we go, and pulling on it. It's not budging any here. Okay, and I actually did the toe as well, and the toe is sealed up nicely here. No gap of it falling down, and the side, it's looking good. Nothing coming apart there. So the Gorilla Glue clear grip seems to be working okay. Just checking it again here, reading again here on the back. Doesn't say anything specifically about shoes. Just that the cure time is allow a minimum of 24 hours for full cure. If it's cool, the cooler it is, the longer it's going to take to get the full cure on it. Clean up this, wipe uncured adhesive with a dry cloth and clean with acetone, isopropyl alcohol, or citrus-based solvents. That's good. Citrus-based solvents are always good. So, yeah. So it looks like that did the job here, and I'll get more time out of these boots. So as always, people, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, building up your food and water storage and other items, such as this, help your footwear last longer. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.